Hello everyone. In this video, we will see a new exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is how to filter the numbers by using the filter tool. So basically, we can have this particular filter tool. In previous exercises also we have used this filter tool. So we will make help of our previous exercise, that is exercise number 19, where we have used the custom filter. So we will copy it first, Control C, and go to new workflow, paste it. I have created number of workflows, so it is new workflow number 9. You can just right click and click on paste, or you can just press Ctrl V. So over here the input data tool is available, and to which this particular filter tool is being connected. Let us drop over here. So basic thing is that input data tool is available in input output tab, and preparation tab is there where the filter tool is available. So we have taken and we have inputted the data named as coffee chain sales. So I'll show you the data first. So this is the data. So we have to filter this particular number. Okay, we have to apply a filter to this particular coffee sales greater than 500 or greater than equal to 300. So that data only will be displayed. So greater than equal to 300 will be three records: 300, 480, and 580. So the coffee sales which is greater than or equal to 300 are nothing but three records. So we will see this with the help of Alteryx. We will apply the filter tool. So we have to just click on run button. Now what is going to happen over here? So this is going to be using the so this is the case of coffee chain sales. Result workflow is available in download, and over here we have applied a custom filter to this particular state named as Connecticut and decaf. So it is available in this particular configuration pane. So over here the custom filter was previously applied. So now we can click on this particular basic filter. Yeah, basic filter. So whenever we have clicked on this particular basic filter, we have to just click on the coffee sales, because coffee sales is having numbers. As soon as I clicked on this, so this is going to get changed. So the sign is going to appear over here, equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to. Likewise, these signs will be available only for the numbers. And if there will be any type of data such as string data, text, so for example product, so now it will be different. So it will be equal, does not equal to, likewise. So I'll just click again on the coffee sales. So coffee sales which is greater than or equal to 300 will only be displayed. So I'll type over here 300 and just click on run. Yeah, so three records are there which is having coffee sales greater than or equal to 300. So 300, then 480 and 580. So this is the case. If we have clicked on this particular true, so this is saying that this is true, and false. So less than that records is also going to display over here. So true and false is available over here. As I have clicked on this false, so it is being shown larger. As I have clicked on this true, so it is being shown larger. So input anchor is the thing shown where they have taken the data. The data is taken that coffee sales should be greater than or equal to 300. Then whatever will be true is will be shown in the result workflow. That's it for this video. I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching.